Welcome to Pratignya Education. Hello friends, today we will learn 10 lines on my village. So let's start the video. My village name is Amrutpur. It is located in Bhadrak district of Odisha. My village is an idle village. There are about 1200 people live in my village. Most of the people in my village are literate. My village has good facilities of electricity, water and road. My village has a good hospital, school and post office. The people of my village mostly like farming and animal husbandry. The people of my village live peacefully and happily together. I am proud of my village. Thanks for watching.